Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar yen, it definitely looks like the end of a wave 5, and if it is the end of a wave 5, it will eventually take out the low of wave 4. Now, there's definitely a second option here, which is that this could possibly be a crescent to the last 5 waves up. If that's the case, then potentially it would make one, two, three waves down, probably to a Fibonacci retracement level, and end up continuing the uptrend. Either way, this is the monthly time frame, and even if it is a crescent to the uptrend, it probably would take maybe even 6, 8 months or more for this to play out. If it really is a wave 5, then it will take out the low of wave 4. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, definitely one big impulsive move down. Obviously, either a wave A or wave 1. Definitely not important for me to know whether it's a wave A or wave 1 at this point in the stage or in the pattern, because the trading strategy is exactly the same for a wave A or a wave 1, which is looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the daily time frame, I still think that this is likely a 4 and a 5 right here. I think there's probably a 1 2 up here someplace, wave 3, wave 4, probably in a wave 5. Most wave 5s do take out the low of wave 3, but it doesn't necessarily have to take out the low of wave 3. Sometimes they do make higher highs, like a Truncheon wave 5. Definitely does happen. But as long as it does continue to make lower lows, lower highs, as long as it does not break this structure to the upside, I am only looking for shorts on shorter time frames. So going down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement. Now, if this is going to continue the trend, then this move up would only be a crescent to this last move down. So we would be watching these Fibonacci levels very closely. We would preferably see 3 waves upwards. This looks pretty impulsive. Kind of seems like it's more likely to make a more proper ABC correction before it goes down. So I would like to see 3 waves up. I'd like to see a Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move to the downside to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, this move up looks very impulsive. It doesn't look corrective really at all. Kind of looks like it's only a wave A. Potentially it is going to go down, but maybe this move out is actually only going to be a wave B, and then maybe it pops up again for a wave C. It would make a lot more sense for me if this made a proper ABC correction up to a Fibonacci level, made like a double top at one of these Fib levels, a nice break of structure, and that would be the entry that I would be waiting for to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.